Adventure Me! Woohoo!
What is up, guys? Adventure Man here, back again for another video. Looks like another big storm's coming. Again, I shouldn't be standing outside. Very weird looking sky. I don't know if this one will come, but the one last night was pretty crazy. Very hectic. Quite windy too. Very hot again today. We just missed a big lightning strike. Sounds like it's coming. Looks like a big tornado is going to come out. Oh, this sky here is looking nasty. There's not much really happening now, but a bit of lightning. But it's nothing really to see other than dark clouds. Dogs are going off again. Well, it's sounding a bit louder than the last one. Over there where all that haze is above that antenna there, it's all rain by the looks. So it's going to start raining very soon, I'm pretty sure. And hopefully I can get that on camera before the sun sets. Oh, look at that sky. Holy crap. Angry again, Mother Nature is. I'm pretty sure you can see all that rain. That's all rain coming by the looks. So, be coming any minute, I guess. Or it might just miss us, like it usually does. But the winds are picking up. Feel sorry for the people who got Christmas lights outside. Suck for them. You can see the winds picking up. Oh, I just felt a drop. Oh, I think it's starting to rain. Here we go. Finally some rain. I'm gonna have to step underneath the roof because it's gonna get, my phone's gonna get wet. Right. It's coming. Be hearing it on the neighbour's roof soon. It's weird, it like rains a couple of meters down the street and it's not raining here, so it'll be raining like quite maybe 10 meters away. And when I'm standing, it's not, but it's starting and getting windy. Oh, lightning. Here it comes. Here it comes. It's raining. It's coming. My phone's getting all wet. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna have to step under the roof. Here it comes! Holy crap! Can't take any cover because there's no warnings here. Alright, it's getting quite windy. You still see that tree there? Oh. I don't want to get too wet with the phone. The phone just blows away down the street. Hits someone else's house. Okay, now the winds are sort of... Hope the winds die down so you can see the rain. But it doesn't look like they are. Oh. Probably going to lose power in this storm. Wouldn't surprise me. Last storm we had, biggest storm we had was at the start of the year. Whole town lost power, trees down and everything. Whole entire Charlestown lost power. Thought that was the SES siren for a second. It's just a car. I don't know why you want a noisy car like that, but it's up to you, I guess. There's a tree. Trying to hold as steady as I can because I don't have a tripod. Again, the tripod will just blow over anyway, so what's the point? Holy, it's coming. Bucketing down now, as you can hear it. Imagine being stuck at like Woolworths or RGA. Like you're inside RGA grabbing your bread and milk and this happens. Sucks. Oh, holy crap. Look at it on the street. Holy crap. Oh, uh-oh. Oh no. It's getting bad. It's getting bad. Shit. Why are you driving in it, buddy? That's not safe to drive in this storm. Crikey. Rain is freezing, but if it gets any windier, I might have to film from the window. But arms are getting sore, holding this phone up. Oh, the wind's just blowing the rain everywhere. Sorry if I'm shaky, that's actually pretty sketchy filming us in a storm. Oh no. There's gonna be debris flying. I might have to. Here it comes, here it comes. Reminds me of Hurricane Milton, the one in America. This won't be nearly as close to a cyclone. Imagine a cyclone. Wouldn't be standing out here, that's for sure. Category 5 cyclone, you'd be gone down the street. Flying away like Mary Poppins. More lightning. I don't want to, can't really film that way because the rain's blowing everywhere. That only took about 7 minutes. Watching TV and then I heard it was thunder. After it came out. Just hate it when it wets the phone. Can't be good for it. That's just why we're going to make it worse. Oh, that's a bit better. The wind is crazy. Sure, now it's sort of died down, the wind. Still lots of lightning. And thunder. Crazy driving in a storm, but it looks like it wants to clear up. Part of the sky's a bit lighter than the other. I don't think so. Really wish I recorded that lightning strike, that would have been cool. Like I said, you'll probably have to buy a $2,000 camera for that. $2,000 camera. Whoa, that was a big lightning strike. It's gonna be a big bang of thunder any minute now. Yep. Phones. Yeah, I might have to somehow video it from the side, it's getting a bit silly.